Welcome back to our channel, where we believe that embracing and celebrating our natural beauty is the key to confidence. In today's video, we're going to dive into the world of curly hair routines, sharing tips and tricks to help you embrace your gorgeous curls. So let's get started. Step 1. Prepping your hair. It's crucial to start with a good foundation, so begin by shampooing your hair with a sulfate-free cleanser. This helps retain the natural oils in your hair, preventing dryness. Follow up with a moisturizing conditioner, applying it generously from the mid-lengths to the ends. Step 2. Detangling. Curly hair tends to tangle easily, so it's important to detangle gently. Start by using a wide-toothed comb or your fingers to carefully remove any knots or tangles. For added slip, you can use a detangling spray or a leave-in conditioner. Step 3. Enhancing your curls. After detangling, it's time to enhance your natural curls. Apply a curl-enhancing product or a styling cream to damp hair, working it through from roots to ends. This helps define your curls and combat frizz. Diffusing or air drying. How you dry your curls can greatly impact the final result. If you're short on time, use a diffuser attachment on low heat to dry your hair gently. Scrunch your curls upward as you go to encourage bounce and volume. If you have more time, embrace air drying for a more natural look. Step 5. Finishing touches. Once your hair is fully dry, it's time for the finishing touches. Use a small amount of oil or serum to tame any flyaways and add shine. You can also fluff your roots gently for added volume. And there you have it, a simple and effective curly hair routine. Remember, every curl is unique, so don't be afraid to experiment with different products and techniques to find what works best for you. Embrace the beauty of your curls and let your confidence shine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hair care tips and tutorials. And as always, leave your questions or suggestions in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.